Hi everyone, my name is Kelly and this is Home with Kelly P. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating my coffee station for spring. So let's get into the video. Here's a quick look at the items that I pulled out of my cupboards, things that I think I want to use in this year's spring coffee station. The only thing I really did pick up that's new are the spring florals that I picked up from Michael's on their recent spring floral sale, and this cute little bunny which was in their Easter sale. But all the other items I had on hand, so I think this is what I'm going to use this year. So the first thing I'm going to do is just clear everything out of this area, give it a quick little wipe down, and then start placing items back in the spot. So I'm going to let you enjoy the music while I start to play around with this area.
Could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. Ooh,
because the coffee station is so small, I always like to include some sort of decorative towel on my stovetop, which is right next to it, just to try and tie it all in together. So I thought I would remove my black ones and add in this pretty blue one with the little bunny ears sticking up. And I think it just looks perfect here and ties in with all the blue in the coffee station. And of course, the little bunny sitting in the dish.
Something in the atmosphere. You always hear, you always hear. Time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back. About you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep.
This video is part of an open invite which is hosted by Kimberly from A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis, and her co-host is Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. And I will be sure to leave a link to their channels below and go check them out. They both do such amazing home decor videos. Once this little area was completed, I wasn't quite satisfied with it. I felt it was missing something. So I brought back my little towel ladder and I put this pretty green towel that I got in the pack with the blue one. And I thought that would just add a little pop of color here and another little element to just kind of tie this all in together. And I really love the way it turned out. I think this is exactly what this little area needed.
Tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not.
And now that everything is complete, I will just give you a quick little look at how everything turned out. And I think it's so fresh and pretty for spring and then rolling into Easter right afterwards. So I'm really happy with the way everything turned out. Thank you so much to Kimberly and Kenya for hosting this open invite, and I hope that you also enjoyed this video and it gave you a little bit of inspiration to maybe add a little bit of spring touch into your home. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out my latest video, which was my home office makeover. I love the way it turned out. And until next time, guys, I hope you have a wonderful week.
I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too